This is where our app development options come into play. So realistically, there's two types of apps. There's our native apps and our hybrid apps. Native apps are platform specific, meaning that they will work on iOS or Android or even our Windows phone. Now, native apps always outperform hybrid apps, okay? Hybrid apps will work on both. Now, to break down the difference between Apple and Android for you, to really tie in what platform you want to actually design your app for, I'm going to cover 4 quick topics just now. And that is our developer license, the publishing process involved in both iOS and Android, guidelines for design that are available for you, and of course, the device availability. Now, I'm going to start off by saying, of course, I'm going to have a bias towards Android because this is what we're going to be teaching within this course. We're going to be teaching you coding and programming and mobile app development overall towards the Android platform. But everything that you learn can be applied towards the iOS. Once you understand the theory behind it, once you understand the principles of the design methods, you'll be able to apply it to both Apple iOS and, of course, your Google Play Store Android. Let's start off with our developer license. So the developer license for Apple iOS comes in as a yearly subscription. It is $99 on a yearly rotation basis. No matter how many apps you upload, it's $99 a year. Now, of course, if you're making massive returns, this plays into the fact that it's just another subscription that allows you to upload as many apps as you want within 1 year. I will also say that, trying to actually get a profit out of your mobile app development, if that's what you're here for, iOS is the best store to upload for. But on the other hand, if you're here for a learning and a basics of education towards mobile app development, of course you're going to go for Android. If you want to upload your newly created app to the Android Google Play Store, it is a once-off $25 fee. Now, this isn't a $25 fee per app. This is a once-off payment. Think of it as a membership. You sign up with the Android store, and therefore you can upload as many apps as you want for the rest of your lifetime. It's as simple as that. So as a mobile app developer, this is the best option to go for to really get your creations out there. Now, when it comes to actually uploading your apps into the App Store, this is the publishing process. Now, the Apple iOS Store itself has a review process that can take anywhere from 72 hours to a full week, okay? Generally, they will get back to you within the week at least. Now, the review process can be quite strict. They actually turn down apps based on a lot of different things such as originality, creativity, even if there's just apps that are already on the store very similar to what you've created. So again, in terms of a developer's playground, you're better off going for the Android side because there's no review process. Once you upload an app to the Play Store, it will become available within 24 hours. It is as simple as that. You can tell all your friends about it, download it, and play away. Okay, if you're looking at it from a career side of things, it's all just about putting the money into marketing then instead and getting the name of your app out there. Now, of course, both of them are quite strict with the guidelines for design. They both cover a lot in terms of the shadows that you have to use, the actual functionability store you should be uploading your apps for, okay? What are your app development options? But our next step, of course, is extremely important, and that is what app should I make? And I'm sure you've all thought about it, but that's what we're going to move on just now.